Hello, hello, hello. This is Mrs. M. Thank you so much for joining me today. And make sure you subscribe to our channel so you receive the latest on all the juicy cleaning industry information. So today I'm going to talk about how to land your first cleaning appointment. Your very first one, the very first one. So what do? Do you run around town? Of course, a lot of places are closed, but a lot of places are now starting to open up their states. Do you make phone calls? Do you bug your friends and family? I'm just kidding about the friends and family part, because actually that is really one of the best ways to get started. Your first cleaning appointment, the very first one, normally will come from a referral, someone that knows you and knows how anxious you are to get started. So spread the word. If you want your first cleaning appointment, make sure you spread the word in your community as well as your friends and family. Let them know that you're in the trenches looking for an appointment, that you are ready to go, you're professional. Tell them all the things that would make them know that you're ready to actually get started, and they would feel comfortable in knowing that you would do an outstanding job if they refer you. 9 times out of 10, this is the area that a lot of people land their first appointment. Not their first contract, but their first appointment. That could turn into their first contract. Remember, when you're doing your appointments, you're not trying to sell your business over the phone. You're trying to get your foot in the door to actually meet with the customers and let them know what kind of value you're going to bring to their facility. The appointment is to build the relationship, not to actually land the contract as far as over the phone. Once you get to the appointment, that's when you're looking at landing the contract. So remember, when you're setting your appointment, you're not setting your appointment to try and land the contract over the phone. You're setting your appointment to get to know if this is a good fit for you, as well as a good fit for them, the potential customer. So start with a list of your friends and family. Work with about 25 or 50 names of individuals that you know their first and last name. Then move to individuals you know their first name, and then people you just know by face. Give them a call, introduce yourself, have your script if you do not know them very well, if they're just individuals that you've seen in the community. Of course, if they're your friends and their family, you still want to sound professional, because business is business and friendship is friendship. This is when we're talking about business. Be professional, let them know what you're doing, and let them know how excited you are about getting started. They'll be as excited about helping you as you are as about getting started. This is one of the best ways to land your first appointment. I hope this information was helpful. And if you'd like to learn more about a blueprint for starting a 6-figure cleaning business from scratch, make sure you join us for our webinar. It's a live webinar. Make sure you sign up with the link below, register. And the space is limited because we allow a lot of Q&A, questions and answers, where we answer them right there on the spot. So until next time, be safe, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.